think you're not stressed? Let me guess. You're watching this video right now, eating snacks, checking your phone, and probably ignoring a deadline. Yeah, buddy, you're stressed. But here's the twist. Most of your stress doesn't come from the big stuff, like your boss, bills, or your cat plotting against you. Nope, it comes from the tiny little habits you don't even notice. Let's break down 5 of them before your brain files for bankruptcy. 1. Checking your phone the second you wake up. You open your eyes, grab your phone, and boom, your day is already ruined. Instagram, everyone's in Bali. Email, your boss wants something urgent. News, the world is on fire. It's like inviting stress into your brain before you've even brushed your teeth. Seriously, give your brain at least 10 minutes of peace before you let chaos in. Number 2, saying yes to everything.
Yes!
You know that moment when your friend asks, "Hey, can you help me move this weekend?" And your mouth automatically goes, "Yeah, sure." Meanwhile, your brain is like, "No, I wanted to binge Netflix and rot in peace." Every unnecessary yes is like putting another dumbbell on your shoulders. And guess what? You're not the rock. You're just rock bottom. 3. Doomscrolling before bed. You tell yourself, just one more video, and suddenly it's 3 a.m., your eyes are burning, and your brain is planning your funeral. Doomscrolling is basically injecting stress into your sleep. Congratulations, you're tired and anxious tomorrow. A true combo meal. So yeah, maybe put the phone down before your pillow files a complaint. 4. Constant multitasking.
Hurry up!
You think you're being productive, right? Eating lunch, watching Netflix, answering emails, and texting your ex at the same time. But here's the reality. Your brain can't handle it. Multitasking makes you slower, dumber, and way more stressed. It's like opening 37 tabs on your laptop until the fan sounds like a jet engine. That's your brain right now. 5. Overthinking every little thing. Did I sound stupid in that text? Why didn't they reply with a smiley face? What if everyone at work secretly hates me? Bro, relax. Nobody cares as much as you think. Overthinking is basically stress cosplay. It makes problems that don't even exist feel like the end of the world. So, if you're stressed but don't know why, check your daily habits. Sometimes it's not the big, scary problems, it's the tiny little monsters hiding in your routine. Start by fixing just one of these habits. Put your phone down in the morning. Say no sometimes.
No!
Drop the doom scrolling at night. Focus on one task and stop running imaginary dramas in your head. Do that, and your brain will finally breathe. And hey, if you want less stress and more life hacks like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you
Subscribe.
overthink it.